So in this video, I'll show you the best option to use Photoshop on your iPhone to edit your photos. First of all, on your iPhone, you can open any browser. I'm using Safari browser, and then here just search for photopea.com. So make sure this link is photopea.com and just open this website. And once you are in this website, now just tap on this file at the top left corner, tap on open, and I'm selecting photo library. And now from your phone gallery, you can go ahead and select a photo to edit. And here we can see the photo opened, and in this left hand menu here we can see bunch of different tools. Also in this right hand menu we can see bunch of different tools. Now let's add text to this image. So I'm selecting the text tool and simply I'm writing my text here, tapping on text size, and here you can increase your text size. Now let's select the brush tool. So here we can see the brush tool, and let's draw something here, just like so. If you want to change your brush size, just tap on the size icon, and here you will find brush option just like computer Photoshop, and here we can see the result. So edit your photo using this online Photoshop, and to export the photo, tap on file, tap on export as, and I'm selecting PNG format, and then tap on save, download. Once downloaded, go to your files and go to download folder, and here you will find the photo. Here we can see